The search for the cheapest Bengali buffet in Calcutta is finally over. I am right now standing outside Maach, Machli More. Now this is the newest restaurant, Bengali restaurant in Calcutta, and it is serving buffet at 295 rupees only. Let's quickly get inside, check out the ambience as well as what the food is like. Right guys, so this is the buffet which I was talking to you guys about. It's the Bengali buffet which is priced at 295 during weekdays and 395 during weekends. So you have there's achar, there's papad, then you have your oyster fish. This is a slightly off item. The rest of it is Bengali. This is the only item which you're going to find which is Chinese. So you have your kacha lonka bata murgi chhol, chir jhal. Now this is going to be my favorite item. It has aloo and it has fish. Wow, what else do you need? There's aloo dum over here, classic Bengali style as the chef says. There's fulko luchi. This is something that's going to get a lot of people excited. Shona muget dal. Now the dal and some of the other items are going to vary each day. Like you're going to get shona muget dal and a different dal some other day. There's steamed rice today. You're going to get jeera rice some other day. Moving on, it has desserts too, so you have hot gulab jamun as well as a chocolate mousse. Now on other days you might get a darsan as well, so it's going to vary. Alright, let's get my hands on some of the food items and review it, tell you how it tastes. Alright, so I am starting with the oyster fish, which is pretty bizarre like I've mentioned in this buffet, but if there's extra fish, I don't think a lot of us will be complaining. Tastes pretty good. I think what's more bizarre is that I'm having a Chinese dish with my hands. Just pardon me for that. So next up I'm having the fulko luchi. Let's have that with the aloo dum. I'm loving the coriander essence in the aloo dum. It's adding the crunch as well as a different flavor to this. Next up, I'm having the dhone pata chicken. I've taken my favorite piece, which is pretty juicy, this particular piece. I would have preferred this one to be a little masaledar, but since it's a homely Bengali preparation, I think that's one thing we must bear in mind when we're trying out this buffet. Next up, I'm having my favorite fish. This is Maach jhol. Jhol chilo ki jhal chilo? Maach jhol ki jhal? Jhal. Sorry. Blooper here. Okay, next up I'm having my favorite fish, which is Maach jhal. The skin is intact, the fish is fresh. I'll show you a little bit more of this. Just disintegrates the moment I'm just applying a little pressure on this. There you go. I'm going to go for a multiple repeat of this entire thing. This could have been a little spicier, so maybe you can have a word with the chef if you want this particular dish to be spicy. I'm sure that can be arranged for you. But if it's comfort, homely Bengali food you're looking at, unlimited portions, you will not get a second option to this in Calcutta. এটা এখানে কেন রাখ কে ফেলেছে এভাবে কে ফেলেছে সৌপ্তিক এটা পাইস হোটেল খাবার এভাবে ফেলেছিস টেবিলে হোয়াট ইজ দিস অলরাইট নাও the last bits of the buffet. I have some gulab jamun as well as chocolate mousse. Let's try the mousse first because this is going to be lesser sweet compared to the gulab jamun. Mine is not very sweet. Decent. Next up, the gulab jamun. Tastes good, but it's cold. So I want the gulab jamun to be warm. This is cold. It tastes good. Overall, what I liked about the buffet, see, you need to be certainly clear about a few things. If it's Bengali buffet or any other buffet, especially Bengali buffet, you cannot expect too much of variety in the price which is given, because all the items are fresh and this comes at a cost. If you're getting anything more than this, even this, in fact, you should start doubting, because the items are expensive in the market. So whatever they are giving, the quality is fresh. In order to ensure that it's fresh, they have to make sure that the options are less. You're not going to be bombarded with too much of options, especially at a Bengali buffet. So I'm pretty happy with the items which are here. Another small thing which I normally like noticing small things at places. What I noticed was the spoons which they give to the at the buffet, it's going to be smaller compared to the normal big spoons which you see at other buffets. Now this is done to ensure that there is less wastage. Now we are doing a lot of things as a community to ensure reduction in wastage, especially at buffets. You know about the Lane levying the fine for wastage. This place has done something different. They've kind of reduced the size of the spoon to ensure that each helping which you're taking, the quantity is reduced. It does not mean there is any restriction on you. You can take as many helpings as you want, but that is just done to ensure. Normally what we do is, there's a habit. আমরা নেওয়ার সময় absent-mindedly অনেকটা extra নিয়ে নিই. Now this has been done to ensure that ওইটা আমরা না করি. So again, a very small step, but it's a fabulous step taken towards reduction of wastage, and we fully support it. Alright, so whenever you come, don't make an issue out of this. This is something which is going to serve us right in future. So we should appreciate these small steps taken by people, and we should encourage them to take other places also to take such steps. So overall, the buffet, 295 is a steal deal. Bengali buffet, it's unheard of. So definitely you want to enjoy. Keep your expectations low when you come, when it comes to the burst of flavors, etc. Because it's homely Bengali food. You're not going to get a very flavorful food. So it's something which is going to be easy on your stomach and on your health as well. So you can come here, you can try the buffet. You can let me know in the comment section how your experience was.
The experience was good, but like the chili fish, the oyster fish was really good, and the luchi aloo dum, ওটাও দারুণ ছিল.
I second him. Luchi aloo dum খুবই actually tasty ছিল, and even I like dal.
The dal was also really nice. Yes, true. What about you, Ankita?
আমার ভালো লাগেনি, আমি বলছি আমার মাছটা খুব একটা ভালো লাগেনি, কারণ একটুখানি ঝাল হলে বেশি ভালো লাগতো.
I agree with that. যেহেতু মাছের ঝাল ছিল ওটা, it could have been a little spicier. And Sarmistha and Souptik, overall, how was the experience?
ভালো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, বাট ওই মাছের ঝোলটা একটু ঝাল হলে ভালো লাগতো.
Okay.
My overall experience was good too. The food was very homely, the flavors were all mild. I really liked the oyster fish, and apart from that, from the dessert section, the gulab jamun could have been hot. In that way, it would have tasted better.
Yeah, overall, the ambience and everything.
Ambience is pretty good. It's a very good experience. The service was also pretty decent.
We have Kaushik, the director of this restaurant, as well as Shomalo, the head chef. Hi guys. Kaushik, we'll start with you. একটু জায়গাটার ব্যাপারে বলো, what is special about this place?
Yeah, this is basically food fusion, fish fusion restaurant, and we are trying to enjoy every Bengali fish with the continental and Indian style. And this is a very good location. Our location is very prime location, is the 37 Purnadas Road, and the decor is literally is from my heart. Everything here, every staffs, every service boys they are doing the jobs from the heart of feelings. We are serving the best thing to the best possible price and best possible ambience.
Shomalo, বুফেটার ব্যাপারে একটু বলো আমাকে।
বুফেটা আমরা আজকে লঞ্চ করছি। বুফেটা স্টার্ট করছি রাইসের সাথে। আমাদের কাছে রাইসের অপশনস ডিফারেন্ট ডেজ ডিফারেন্ট ভাবে চেঞ্জেস হবে। এরকম কোনোদিন স্টিম রাইস থাকবে, কোনোদিন জিরা রাইস থাকবে, কোনোদিন ভেজ ফ্রাইড রাইস থাকবে। তার সাথে থাকবে ফুলকো লুচি, তারপর সোনা মুগ ডাল বা কড়াইশুঁটি দিয়ে ছোলার ডাল, আর থাকবে আলুর দম বা ফুলকপির রোস্ট, মাছের ঝাল বা সর্ষে মাছ। আজকে যদি মাছের ঝাল থাকে তো কালকে আপনারা সর্ষে মাছ পাবেন। কাঁচা লঙ্কা বাটা দিয়ে মুরগির ঝোল থাকবে, আর থাকবে একটা ওরিয়েন্টাল আইটেম রেখেছি সো দ্যাট মাউথটাকে যেন সুদিং করে, চিলি গার্লিক ফিশ বা অয়েস্টার ফিশ, সেটা একটা জাস্ট লিটল টেস্ট ফ্রম দি শেফ, এইভাবেই আমরা এটাকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করেছি।
Great.
আর অ্যাকম্পানিমেন্টে অ্যাসর্টেড পাপড় ফ্রাই আছে, মিক্সড পিকেল আছে, আর ডেজার্টেও আমাদের ডিফারেন্ট ডেজে চেঞ্জেস আছে, যেরকম হট গোলাপ জামুন আছে, আমাদের ডার্ক চকলেট মুজ আছে, আবার একদিন আপনি দর্শন উইথ ভ্যানিলা আইসক্রিমও ট্রাই করতে পারবেন। আমরা কুইজিনটাকে বেঙ্গলি রেখেছি, বাট একটুখানি আলাদা ডিফারেন্টভাবে চেঞ্জেস রেখেছি, যাতে একই জিনিস যাতে না হয়। প্লিজ আসবেন এবং ট্রাই করবেন। আমাদের এই জায়গাটা খুবই মন থেকে বানানো, মাছ নিয়ে শুরু করা হয়েছে, কারণ বাঙালিদের খুব প্রিয় মাছ। আর আপনারা আলাকাট মেনুটাও ট্রাই করবেন। এই টাইমিংটা হচ্ছে 12:30 থেকে 3:30 অবধি। মানডে টু থার্সডে আমরা এটা প্রাইস রেখেছি 295, অ্যান্ড ফ্রাইডে স্যাটারডে সানডে 395, only 100 rupees up.
ঠিক
Thank
আছে।
you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
Food Spa. Thank you Shabazda.